it's Arushi and I'm back with a video, and today's video is a what is in my bag video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you everything that I carry in this huge bag on a daily basis. So I carry this bag whenever I go out, and this has a lot of unnecessary random things, and I'm going to be showing you everything in the bag. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I already have a what is in my travel carry-on bag, and I have the link down below. You can go watch it because that is everything that I carry whenever I travel. And I also hope that you guys notice that I'm uploading regularly, and I hope you guys are enjoying the regular uploads. If you are, you can leave a comment down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. It will really mean a lot to me. And subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying the regular uploads and you like any of my videos. And yeah, without any further blabbering, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with what I have in my bag. So usually I carry my phone in my hand, but I also carry it in my bag. So let's consider it. Okay, now it has one pocket here, the middle pocket, which is like the compartment, the bucket compartment. And then it also has a compartment, like a small pocket out here. So I'll show you what I have in the first pocket. I don't think I have anything. I have a rubber band. So yeah, now let's move on to the middle big pocket. So as you can see, it's a huge pocket and I have a lot of random things inside. So let's start with, okay, let me show you what I have in this small one. I carry, so this still has the tag, I still haven't removed it. Okay, so I carry sanitary napkins in my bag, obviously, because you don't know when you need them. So I have that. Next, let's move on to the main pocket of my bag. So the first thing that I can see is my wallet, which is pretty old, need to change it. So I have my Sodexo Me passes in my wallet, and I have my cash. So I have that as well. So I'm a big kid now and I have my own wallet, so yay for that. Next what I can see is Sour Punk with one piece of candy left in it, so I will finish it today. I have Sour Punk. Next I have a Kara face wipes. So since it's summers, you really need facial wipes, and I have these ones. These work really well for me, and since I sweat a lot and I have like an oily T-zone, I do need facial wipes, and these work just fine for me. Next I have this 2-in-1 brush and comb, sort of like a travel thing. So I have this as well. It's really handy when you're traveling or when you're going out or whatever. Next I have this energy bar by Right Bite. It's this chocolate high fiber thing. It's not that great, but it's just for like 25 bucks, so it works okay for me. So I have this, like one of this in my bag. Next I have this. So this is this indigo nut case. All of us have this at our places. So this is not really like dry fruits or anything. This is basically my medicine box. I have migraine, so I need to carry my painkillers. First is Meftal, all of us need this. Next I have my migraine medicines, Nexdol, Ryzact. So I have my migraine medicines and my medicine box. Cannot survive without this, so I have this in my school bag and my carry-on bag. Next I have a power bank. This my father got in his office and he gave it to me because I need power banks. My phone is always discharged. Next I have my old phone case which has pizza all over. I got this for my best friend also, Priya. She broke hers. So I have this one. I just changed my phone cover to this one, and I don't know why I have this in my bag. Anyway, next I have my sunglasses. I also had this in my carry-on bag, I remember. These are the only ones I really like. The reflector lens glasses that Freya got for me. So yeah, I have these in my normal bag as well. Next I have a hand sanitizer just in case you go to a public washroom or something like that. You need a hand sanitizer. Next I have a chocolate wrapper. It's a Snickers wrapper. So I'm really like, I don't like when people litter after they eat something. So usually, when I see people like eating a chocolate or like a packet of chips and they litter, I usually like ask them for their wrappers and like put it in my bag. So I usually have like lots of wrappers in my school bag or even in like these bags. So I have a lot of wrappers, and this is possibly like one of those. Next I have this pouch. So usually when I have to go out for like a shoot or something like that, or just basically out, and I need some like makeup or something like that, I carry this one. This is really compact from Chatur Chidiya something. My sister got this for me. This has a small mirror because you do need a small mirror. It has a kajal, a mascara. This is a Colorbar one. A BB cream, because I don't really go really high on base, so BB cream, and a nude lipstick. Along with that, oh, my friend got me these earrings, so I have these, and what else? A ring. So yeah. Next, I have a lip balm. So I love lip balms, but I have this EOS Summer Fruit one. Okay. Then next I have a hand moisturizer, probably like something that I picked up from somewhere, I don't know. So this is just a hand moisturizer, because if you want to meet someone and your hands are dry, it's not a very pretty situation. Next I have my phone charger cord, because as I told you, my phone is always discharged. Then I have this niche Rose Mohabbat perfume that I got in my Lady Raga bag, and this is really small and compact, so works really well if you're like going out and you need to smell good. Next, we're coming to the end. I have another power bank, since if like you know this power bank gets discharged, I have another power bank, so I have that. Next I have these. Oh, my father got me these Bluetooth fancy red and black earphones. These don't really get tangled, but like Arushi gets them tangled anyway. So I have these earphones. They don't get tangled very easily, and these are really cool. So I have these. Next I have another lip balm. This one is a Nivea one. It's not that great, but I have it anyway. I don't know why. Oh yeah, so my friend Shimal got me this Victoria's Secret Lip Silk Sheer Gloss. I don't know what it's doing in my bag, but I don't know why it's here, but like yeah, she got it for me. So shout out to you, Shimal, if you are seeing this video. Thank you. Next I have this Plum Hello Gorgeous 2-in-1 mirror. Coming to the end, I have a hair elastic again, and last are 2 candies, red ones. And yeah, we're just done. This is sorry, we're not done. I have tags from Fab India, Ginger, what else? Fab India. Oh, so when I was traveling and I had like clothes, I had to film a haul. So I collected all of these tags because I had to wear the clothes, but I also wanted to shoot the haul. So these are all the tags to the hauls that I knew the prices and I could tell you the right prices. So I have the tags still. And yeah, that is all that I had in my bag. So yeah, that was it for my video. Super long video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you haven't liked any of my videos, and if you aren't subscribed already, then go ahead and hit the subscription button. It's absolutely free. If you're already a subscriber, you can also go and hit the notification bell button. That will just notify you whenever I post. And if you're still watching this video, you can go ahead and tell me in the comments below, what is that one thing that you always carry in your carry-on bag. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!